this is the formula XLOOKUP. So the lookup value is the value that is there in this table and in the next table, the table that connects both tables. It's employee ID. So we're just gonna choose the first one and then use our separator, right? Everyone on the computer might have a different separator. And then after that, a lookup array. Where do you want to look for these numbers that will match with this employee's ID? Here in this table, employees, but under employee ID from A2 to A13, right? And then we use our separator, return array. What do we want to return on the other side, right? What we want is these values, right? These values, right? And then there you go, you close your parameters, then enter, and then you drag it down. Oh, what the hell is going on? We have an NA problem. What happened is because we did not lock the table for the values that are fixed. The values that are fixed is these B, C, D, right? These are the values that we must lock. So to lock the table, you use the $sign, you lock the table, you lock the table, and you lock the table, enter, and then see again. There you go, fixed. So the problem was that you had not locked the table for the variables that we needed to be fixed, which are these, the return array, right? So that's how you use your XLOOKUP and fix the NA issue that you might experience.